Today I'm going to talk about three of my favorite snacks. These three, I really love them. These are made in Malta, the three of them. These are three Maltese snacks. First one, Twisties. This is really good, the Twisties. It is made of, the ingredients are pure cheese powder, rice, best quality rice, oil, pure cheese powder, yeast, paprika, salt. These are really good. I really love them. These are Maltese Twisties. Then I will open them and I will show you how they are. These blisters, even these, I really love them. The blisters. They're a bit salty, these. In fact, these are with salt and vinegar. They are a bit salty, these, but for those who love salt, they will like them. These are the ingredients. They are made of potato pellet, potato starch, rice flour, salt, paprika, garlic powder, turmeric, oil, vinegar. These are really good. As I told you, for those who love salt, these will love them for sure. These you'll find them only in Malta, I think. You won't find them anywhere else. There is chimpies. This is peanut, made with peanuts. These are really good too. I really love them. These are made with peanuts. The ingredients: corn, peanuts, sunflower oil, salt. In Maltese, it's written in Maltese too. Amharoon, carawet. Peanuts are carawet. Carawet are peanuts. Zejt ta' ġirasol u melħ. Melħ is salt u zejt is oil. These are really good too. Then I will open them, the three of them, and I will show you exactly how they are. Start with Twisties. I will open it. These are with cheese, cheesy. Twisties are delicious, crisp savory. Cheesy, it's with cheese. These are really good. These are pure Maltese. Made only in Maltese. I'm going to eat one so you hear the crunch. I don't know if you can hear it. Because I don't have a microphone. These are really good. To open blisters. These, as I told you, are very salty. Those who love salt will love them. These are like this. Like this, salt. As you can see. Even these have a little crunch, but not like the Twisties. I don't know if you can hear them, because I don't have a microphone. So, these are one of my favorite too. To open the chimpies. These I love them too, very good. These are with peanuts. And these are made like this, as you can see. Let me see if they crunch. Even these, I think they crunch. For those who love peanuts, this is ideal for them. So, these are three of my favorite snacks that I really love. Are dim aret. These are filled with dates. These are made with dates inside. This is dough, dates inside, and then they fry them. These are really good. If you come to Malta, don't forget to try them. Imqaret. These are imqaret. They have nothing to do with these. They have nothing to do with these because these are different, but since they are made here in Malta, and I have some here, I thought of showing you these two. Imqaret, filled with dates. It's a dough filled with dates and then they fry them. Really good, these. Some of the things that I love, I showed you this one, chin piece. This one, salty. This one, this is cheesy, this is salty, this is with peanuts, and I showed you the imqaret. I like to eat them, for example, in the evening. I watch a movie or something. I take a packet of these, or I take the three of them. I eat the three of them during the movie, and these two. And these are really good. These are made in Malta. You will find them here in Malta. So if you come to Malta, or if you're living here in Malta and you still haven't tried them, these are really good. So hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you wish, please. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel. And bye for now.